guys, update lang. Thank you nga pala sa aming regular customer na umorder ulit ng 100 pieces ng ating 3 Sounds Home. Pwede kayong umorder through online or visit our shop, Good Excel Car Accessories, located at Elvina Building, Lacson, Luzuriaga Street, Barangay 37, Bacolod City. Thank you! Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more updates. Bye-bye!